Hi all, today we're doing a bit of an unboxing video on the AES EL00M-K, which is the wireless loop detector. Reason we're doing this is we've had a few questions regarding this bit of kit that hopefully this video will clear up. So, firstly, let's open the box and see what you get inside. So, instructions, put them to one side, and we've got the little receiver, the eTrans-50, which holds up to 50 memories on this little receiver unit there. I'll have a look at the inputs here. 12 to 24 volts, negative, normally open and common. This particular kit is an exit loop only, hence why we've only got a normally open and common. So we'll just send a pulse to the control panel or whatever it is that you've got it wired back to. If you are using this as some kind of safety loop, there is an alternative version to this, but that's a video for another day. So I'll just put this to one side and we'll have a look what else is included. So we've got a little pack here which comes with the bolts to bolt it down with, and a small Allen key to open this up with. And here's the loop itself. So dense plastic, ideal for light commercial use or residential use. Ideally, I'd suggest. Let's open it up and have a look inside. So for this, I will need the Allen key provided. And let's just open this up. There we go. So let me just take these out and put them to one side. Okay, I might need a screwdriver just to pop that plate off. So that's the mounting plate. So that's what you'll bolt down to the floor using these two bolts here. And you'll need like a 5mm masonry bit to drill down 55mm into the ground, and then you can bolt this down nice and securely. So again, put that to one side and we'll have a look at what we've got here. So obviously this is what's transmitting, and I'll show you inside this as well. You'll need a Phillips head to get inside here. You'll need this if you've got to ever change the batteries, as there are two 1.5 volt AA lithium batteries supplied in with this kit. Why lithium? Because they'll last longer. The packaging says they'll actually last for around 3 years, but typically, yeah, I would say after a good amount of weathering, probably a couple of years, you may want to put that into a service to change these batteries so that they don't end up running flat. We at EasyGates do stock these lithium batteries, so if you ever do need to change them, you can always contact us for those. Ideal for things like photocells, anything outdoor that's battery powered. There's the two batteries and there's inside. So if you did need to change the batteries, you just need to take this plate off. So I don't today, so I'm going to put this back on. I just wanted to show you what the transmitter inside did look like. And you'll see there's a rubber gasket going around there as well, so to protect against any water ingress, which marries up to this this piece on the inside here. There's also a little notch here, so it can only go on one way. Let's put these 4 screws back in, and we'll get the receiver powered up and show you quickly how to pair it with the receiver. Okay, so assuming you've bolted this down to the ground, what you'll need to do is take this with you to the receiver itself, because you'll want it nice and close. And I'm just going to put some power into this. And you'll also notice the terminal block on here is removable as well, so it makes it a bit easier for when you're doing the wired connections to take that off first before plugging it back in. Okay, so now I've got that paired up. I'm just going to plug that in. I'm just going to move you around so you can see what I'm doing here, because my cable's not quite long enough. And I'm going to switch him on. Okay, so that should be on, and the simple way to program this is you just press code once and release, hold the loop right next to the antenna. There we go, and we've got those 3 short flashes and a flash of the yellow on the E-loop there to indicate that it's now paired and connected. So the idea is, should I pass this by any metallic object, it should trigger the loop and operate the relay. So that's it, that's the E-loop, the wireless transmitter and receiver. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to email in to info@easygates.co.uk or technical@easygates.co.uk for any technical queries you may have.